All right, guys. First, you want to get something to create a funnel that you're going to use to actually take all of the residual dirt and clean up out of your vehicle. So you're going to want to get just a traditional empty spray bottle, or you can just get some cheap spray bottle from a glass cleaner and make this right here. As you can see, I made it. I'm doing a test to make sure it works, and at the same time cleaning it out by using alcohol. Okay, it works. So now we're going to go to the vehicle. Of course, we're going to use our handy brake cleaner because it evaporates on site. Use a non-chlorinated one that's not flammable. It'll dry up really, really fast to get the job done. We're going to go ahead and take out these actual coil packs so that we can start our process. Mine are already out, but you just want to pop those out and also, take them off the connectors. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and spray that brake caliper cleaner, or brake cleaner, rather, inside each combustion chamber. You want to get a good spray in there. And you want to get all of that oil and residue kind of broken up. The longer you let it set, the better your results will be. This method has worked for me tremendously. All right, now as you can see, I'm spraying the junk out of the car. No more slime in the ice machine. If you also have an oil leak inside of your cylinder wall and you got like oil buildup or something, or any kind of fluid, this is just a good method overall just to get it out. Just FYI, you're trying to drain something out, your washer fluid, anything, this is just a good hack that I recommend highly to anyone.
You see the color? All right, guys, so now I have the aerosol dust cleaner. This is what you generally use to clean out keyboards, hard areas, sensors. As you can see, I'm spraying it right through the cylinder, and it's going right out where the injectors go. Being that I have my intake manifold off, changing my injectors might save that for another video. This just gets it really dry and get any debris out the way. So this is my last step to just ensure that the chamber is clean.
As you guys can see, I'm nice and dry. Cylinder's looking pretty good. It was really oily before, had a lot of blow by. Some carbon buildup prior to me doing my catch can. I tell you, like, this method it's helped me tremendously to just really, get my horsepower where it needs to be, and get my spark plugs and my combustion just really just firing at the right time. No pre-detonation. I recommend highly doing this. Of course, there's seafoam, a lot of other things, but I've tried this method on several of my cars and my Audis, and it worked great for me. So, like I said, I'm that test dummy. So when I do something, I show you guys, and you guys are more than willing to champion it yourselves. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys this quick hack. As you can see, I'm looking clean and ready to rock and roll. From a car with over 100,000 miles, I definitely think I'm looking pretty good, right? So let's keep it going, guys. I appreciate all the love and the support. This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors, guys. Peace. I'm out. Make sure you like and subscribe. Share the channel.